guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been very long that I've filmed a video, so I thought of filming this, and especially because I've shopped a lot in the past months. So अभी भी मेरा एक ऑर्डर आने रहता है, but I thought मैं उसकी भी वेट करूँगी तो और लंबा वेट हो जाएगा. So I thought of just filming with whatever I have, and that is a lot. And I've shopped from literally every side, like from Ajio, from Myntra, from every side basically, Amazon. So yeah, there's a lot of shopping happening and there are a lot of stuff that I have, and this is like a huge collective haul which I think you'll definitely enjoy. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That is Vasudha's Lane. And yeah, now let's start the video. So we'll start with the first thing that is quite useful these days, which are these masks. So there was one more of like same red color which I don't have right now, but I've got these 3 masks from a site Peach Mode. So मुझे basically cotton mask चाहिए थे which are actually useful, क्योंकि जो normal cotton mask है वो एक simple layer होती है और उससे कुछ protection नहीं होता. So I wanted like good cotton mask. So मैंने simple Google पे जाके cotton mask लिखा and I discovered this site called Peach Mode, and yeah, I really like these. These were for like like a combo of 3, and I really like it. I'll mention the link down below of that website, so you can check that. Actually में मेरे को कुछ और show हुआ था और आए कुछ और, which is quite a bummer, but इनकी quality, these are triple layer, these are cotton material, and these are reusable. So I'll definitely advise everybody to use reusable masks, because disposable masks are already destroying our environment. So yeah, use these masks, but the quality is very very good. They definitely have 3 layer protection, and ये बहुत अच्छे थे. तो मैंने एक और pair of 4 order कर दिया इस बार, but these were pair of 3 combination of 3 mask, and yeah, I really like it. So इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा चेकर्ड सा डिज़ाइन है. वो मुझे कुछ दिखे कुछ और थे, पता नहीं उन्होंने भेज कुछ और क्यों दिया, but whatever that is, these are very good. The other thing that I have are actually plants, and I really like them, especially this one. This is like a cactusy plant, and this is so nice. इतना अच्छा लगता है, इतना छोटा सा है, तो you can keep it anywhere in your house, and this looks so beautiful aesthetically. I think cactus are very in these days, and I really like this. Also this one, I'll put a picture somewhere here. This is also a new plant that I've got. This is quite big, not very big actually. ये थोड़ा बढ़ेगा भी, ये थोड़ा छोटा है, but I like these kinds of plants. इनकी ऐसी leaves होती हैं, so they grow big and they look really nice in the one corner of your room. I have placed it right here and it looks really nice, and yeah, I really like this one. Then the other place that I've shopped from is Myntra. So these are the shoes that I got from Myntra. These are ऋतिक रोशन का कौन सा ब्रांड है, HRX. So उसके ब्रांड के शूज़ हैं, एंड दीज आर रियली नाइस. यहाँ से कंफर्टेबल हैं, स्पोर्ट शूज़ टाइप वाइब है इनकी, वाइब क्या स्पोर्ट शूज़ ही हैं. सो दीज आर रियली कंफर्टेबल, एंड आई गॉट दिस इन साइज 39. दैट फिट्स परफेक्टली, एंड या दिखने में भी दे आर क्वाइट गुड. ग्रेश ब्लैक तो ये सबके साथ चल जाते हैं, एंड दे आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल फॉर मॉर्निंग वॉक्स और फॉर डेली यूज़ बेसिकली. सो आई गॉट दिस फॉर दैट पर्पस. नाउ द अदर थिंग दैट आई हैव इज दिस rose water. This is quite a huge bottle. This was actually a great deal. मुझे Amazon से ली मैंने ये bottle rose water की. This is like a 1 liter bottle for ₹125, and ये काफ़ी, और ऐसा भी नहीं कि इसमें सिर्फ नाम का rose water. This has like a very good sense. So I got this from Amazon. If you use it for your face, or like after washing your face, if you just spray it on your face, so it kind of refreshes you, and that is the purpose I use. So I've just put it in a small bottle, spray bottle जो होती है छोटी, उसमें you can put it and you can gradually just use it. जो डाबर के आते हैं, they are very small and they are very expensive, but this one I really like, and I think it is a very good deal that you can get from Amazon. So if you're looking for buying a good rose water, I think you can definitely get this. This is from Banjaras, and from Banjaras I have gone to Banjara market recently, and I have got quite a few things, not a lot. So actually मेरी mom को थोड़े birds और ये सब चाहिए थे, so I've got these for her. Yes, they were for 50 rupees each, क्योंकि थोड़े बड़े हैं animals. So this is like a normal चिड़िया, and this is like an elephant. इसके अंदर plants you can put, but she wanted for like aesthetic purposes. So ये ऐसे ही हैं. These animals or planters were for like 50 rupees each, and I've got some more which are like which are these ones. So these are for 20 each क्योंकि थोड़े छोटे हैं. But this one has my heart. I think मेरे को थोड़ी और ले लेनी चाहिए था, मैंने एक लिया. But this looks very nice, yeah. So these were all the animals that I got. And the other thing that is very nice is this kettle. So मैं बहुत पहले लाई थी actually, but मैंने कभी यूज़ ही नहीं करी. But aesthetically it's very very nice. Like अगर आपके पास ऐसे mustard color के cups हो, then this will make a very nice set. But I think इसको आप ऐसे show purpose के लिए भी रख सकते हो. But as a kettle also it's really nice. I think it's very beautiful, very elegant, and very simple, but yet very nice. So this is a kettle that I've got from Banjara. I don't remember the price. I think it was around less than 100, I guess. Other one I have are these little cups that I've got from Banjara only. So I've got like a set of four of these cups, and you can just probably place like some ketchup or some mint chutney if you want. So I've got it for that purpose, and these are very nice. And if you can, वहाँ पे ऐसी plates भी थी इस color में, but I didn't like those. So if you want, you can get the set also. But this was for like 25 rupees each. Set of 4 like for 100 rupees. And yeah, I really like it. Like they're very classy and nice. The thing that I have is this green tea from the brand called Blue Nectar. So I'm not gonna lie, they have sent me this, but they have not asked me to do a video of it. But I like it so much that I thought I should definitely do a video. This is actually a green tea, and I've also shared Blue Nectar's oil, which is bomb. It is really nice. But the green tea is also very top notch. Firstly, the packing is amazing. They have like a cardboard box which is yay. And then when you open it, you have like a nice glass jar, and like whatever, they have like a feedback form into it, and this is how the green tea looks. They have like green leaves, not the sachet, so I think that is very nice than the sachets. Eventually you don't use a lot of sachet, so in this you can actually control the leaves you're putting into your tea. And yeah, it tastes very nice. This is especially Assam Mogra Slimming Green Tea with cardamom, Idukki cardamom, and it is a very nice cardamom flavor. So I'll definitely recommend you to buy this one. I'll put a link down below. This is very very nice if you're looking into a good nice green tea. Now the last and my most favorite thing from this collective haul is this top that I got from Zara. Can't tell you how much I love this top. This is like a gingham print top, and I really like it. Like, where are these tops made? So this is like a plain top first. Nothing is plain in it. It cinches from your waist. This is like an elastic going on over here. Then there are sleeves. There are a lot of things happening in a top that I really like. So first is the cinching thing near the waist. Then they have the sleeves, which also has like a balloon effect like this. And the other thing they have is a bow at the corner, like on your shoulder. So bow छोटी मोटी नहीं, बहुत ही बड़ी bow है इसकी, as you can see. So bow बना के you can literally hang like इतना सारा on your shoulders, and it looks really nice. Like छोटी थोड़ी इसमें elaborated bow बनेगी, and उसके बाद थोड़ा सा fall करेगा. So I'll put a picture of it, but I really like this, and I've not worn this one. Tags are also intact. I've got it in size small. It has the price of it is 2590, what is written over it, but I've not got for 2590. I'll mention somewhere in the description box how much I've got it for. And this is a very nice material. It is very like nice soft material. इसके अंदर आपको बिल्कुल गर्मी टाइप कुछ नहीं लगेगा. Although this is like a very मोटा material, but I think it's very nice. I really like this top. I think this has to be my favorite, and of course the plants and this top. So these were all the things that I've shopped and I wanted to show you. And yeah, all the packages आने वाले हैं. So if you want a more collective haul, like a bigger one, so please comment down below and let me know if you're interested in that kind of stuff. And yeah, this was all from today's video. I hope you have liked it, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.